Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the volume-weighted average price trading strategy. Before we begin, can you answer this question? What does it mean when a stock is trading above the VWAP on the daily chart in swing trading? A. It's a bearish signal. B. It's a bullish signal. C. It's irrelevant for swing trading. D. It means the stock is overvalued. Let us know your answers in the comments section below. The answer will be announced at the end of this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future content. What is a volume-weighted average price trading strategy? The volume-weighted average price, or VWAP trading strategy, is a technical strategy that takes into account both price and trading volume. Unlike a simple moving average, which gives equal weight to each data point, VWAP places more emphasis on price points where trading volume is higher. How is the VWAP calculated? The VWAP calculation involves multiplying each trade's price by its corresponding volume, summing up these values, and then dividing by the total volume. The formula of VWAP is as shown. This gives us an average price that considers the influence of trading volume. Benefits of VWAP. Accurate assessment of market sentiment. VWAP reflects the collective sentiment of traders for a given period. It helps you understand whether the market is bullish or bearish at any given moment. Effective entry and exit points. VWAP can serve as a guide for optimal entry and exit points. Traders often use VWAP crossovers and deviations from VWAP to make informed decisions. Reduced impact of large orders. Institutional traders use VWAP to execute large orders without causing excessive price disruption. They aim to execute trades close to the VWAP to minimize market impact. Implementing VWAP. Intraday trading. Day traders often use VWAP to gauge the intraday trend. They compare the current price to the VWAP to determine whether to go long, short, or hold. Swing trading. Swing traders look at VWAP on higher time frames to identify potential entry points. A stock trading above the VWAP on the daily chart might be more attractive for a bullish swing trade. Risk management. As with any strategy, risk management is crucial. Set stop-loss orders based on deviations from the VWAP to protect your capital. Limitations of VWAP. Intraday volatility. VWAP might be less effective during times of extreme volatility when the market deviates significantly from the average. Market open and close. The first and last 30 minutes of the trading day can distort VWAP due to higher volume. Many traders wait for the initial volatility to settle before using VWAP signals. At the beginning of this video, we asked you to answer this question. What does it mean when a stock is trading above the VWAP on the daily chart in swing trading? And the right answer is B. It's a bullish signal. To learn more about our courses, head over to our website and get in touch with a course counselor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Stay tuned for future videos that will enhance your trading knowledge. Want to discover more algo trading strategies? Check out our playlist for more such videos.